Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to share with you today the secret to having a non-slip tub for your toddler. It's this BeeHomee cartoon non-slip bathtub mat, and I love how big it is. This is the 34 by 15 inch. It's the extra large size, and it fits perfectly in our bathtub, so there's no extra space for him to slide around while he's walking around in the tub. My son is almost a year and a half now, and we have been using this ever since he didn't sit in his little tubby anymore, and it is in excellent condition. This is definitely amazing quality and worth it for sure. It's super easy to roll up if you want to put it away, but I like to actually suction it to the side of our shower so that it can dry off properly and I can rinse it really easy. I really like that there's hundreds of small suction cups instead of just a few big ones because it really stays stuck on. I love the large size and the colorful design of this bath mat, and you will too. But that's just my point of view.